Go. So today we're going to be doing an experiment with baking soda and vinegar, and there's going to be a fizzing reaction out of this 3D printed volcano. So what you need is food coloring. This is optional, but you need baking soda, vinegar, and vinegar. So I have vinegar here, and you don't need this much baking soda. I put too much, but you just need a little baking soda. But the more vinegar you have, the bigger the reaction there is. And then, so this is what happens when you combine the two. So this is, you put this in not last, you put this in second, but this vinegar. So, put in some baking, she says a bit too much. Put in the baking soda. Just make sure that that's enough. Yep, that's enough. And then you drop in your food coloring. So you won't be able to see the yellow on this red thing, but once it goes down into the plate, it probably will. Okay, here's the big reaction time. Holy moly, did you see that? Oh, it's not yellow, huh? Might need to put more. Once you do the reaction, you might need to put a little bit more baking soda because it uses it all up. The reason this does this is because this vinegar is an acid. See, it says 5% acidity. And baking soda is an anti-acid. So, like, when they mix, they create a reaction just like this. Put the baking soda. Pour the vinegar. Holy moly. I was expecting it more dripped down that area, not like completely erupt. Oh, now it's looking yellowish. There we go. Boom! That's amazing. And that's the end of today's video.